basically, statistics is the science of collecting and analyzing, interpreting, presenting, and organizing data set. There is a common slogan which always says, whoever owns the data owns the world. So data is very, very important, and therefore statistics is very important, whether you're a student or you're a professional person already working. Like, data is very important. For example, those in the business and economics world, you can use dataset to make predictions of customer needs, customer satisfaction, upcoming fashions and trend, so that you can be able to make reliable decision on which kind of products you can import or you can bring into your store. In people, in medicine and healthcare, you do use these statistics to evaluate, let's say, the performance of your intervention, your medication, your diagnostic compared to the control groups. In social science, you can use this study. For example, you can be assessing the psychological well-being amongst HIV positive patients, and you will need statistics for you to be able to draw conclusion. For people in environmental sciences, things like climate change, decrease in vegetation cover, all these require statistics for you to draw conclusion. Education, if you're a student and you're watching this video, one of the reasons for you to watch this video is maybe you're hoping to finish your research paper so that you can graduate. So therefore, statistics are very important. Quality control, for people working in industries, making consumer products, it's always important to do quality control, and it requires statistics. So statistics is probably available everywhere, and it is very, very important. Now, imagine you are then a student, a professional person, a data scientist, or whatever position you are in, even you are your own boss. You have data set available. How can you make sense of it? How can you be able to then draw conclusion from it? So the next videos, we shall be talking about how you can make sense of every data set you're having, whether it is from your store, whether it is from your research, whether they gave you from class, from any kind of direction. We shall explore into details how you can make sense of that data set. So if you're interested in such a video, make sure you click on the next video so that you watch it, and also subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out future videos.